Understanding, commit a foul, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in sports and everyday life, commit a foul. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Commit a foul is a phrase widely used in sports. To commit means to carry out or perpetrate an action. A foul refers to an unfair or illegal action, especially in a sports game. Therefore, when someone commits a foul, they are performing an action that is against the rules in a sports context. This phrase is commonly associated with games like basketball, soccer, and football. 1. Basketball. In basketball, committing a foul can involve personal contact with an opponent, like pushing or blocking them in a way that's not allowed by the rules. 2. Soccer. In soccer, a player commits a foul by tripping, pushing, or tackling an opponent without trying to play the ball. 3. Football. In American football, fouls can include actions like holding an opponent's jersey or helmet-to-helmet contact. While it's primarily a sports term, commit a foul can be used metaphorically in everyday English. For example, in a business context, someone might say, "He committed a foul by breaking the contract terms," indicating a rule or expectation was violated. In sports, committing a foul often leads to penalties. These can be free throws in basketball, free kicks in soccer, or yardage penalties in football. Understanding these consequences helps in grasping the seriousness of committing a foul in various games. And that's a wrap on commit a foul. Now you know how to use this phrase when talking about sports or even in daily conversations. We hope this video has been insightful. Don't forget to practice using the phrase in your conversations. See you in our next video. And keep learning.